Hello students, and we will be learning about ID attribute. It is actually an identifier which is like unique in the whole document. Discuss today. Today we'll be learning about a new thing which is known as IDs. Okay, so what do you understand by ID? See, the HTML ID attribute is used to specify a unique ID. For example, what do you say? It has a unique thing, like nobody else can have the same thing, right? So, for example, if I have to give the syntax, how do I write the syntax for ID? Okay, if I have to write it like this, see what exactly do we do is over here. I would say, see what you have to do. First, you have to write a hash character. So how do you write this hash character? It's like this and close it here, right? This is your hash character. This should be followed by you can say it has to be followed by an ID name, right? So what that ID name can be, it can be anything. Then that defines the CSS properties. Okay, so then you have to define with CSS properties, properties, where within the curly, so how are the curly brackets, right? So this is what exactly actually we do. Okay, so my caps lock is like, okay, so this is what we will be doing it today. How do you write the IDs? Okay, so suppose if I have to write an ID, how should I go about it? See, first I will say head. I will close it. After the head, I will do the style like this. After the styling, what I told you, the syntax is write a hash character. So how will you write the hash character? Like this, sorry, like this. Then you will say, okay, this is my header. Maybe this is your ID. Use the curly bracket as I told you. Now after the curly bracket, what we will do, we will say maybe background color, and in the background color I will say orange. Okay, so maybe I need this orange color and semicolon. Post the orange color, which color heading you need, right? So I will say color, and what do you need? Now you need the black color, so I will put the black color over here. And then the next step will be, we will text align, right? Oh, wait, not this, I have to use this one. Yes, then I will have text align, and what is the text align? I'll say center. Post this, what will I do? I'll close my curly bracket. So my styling is done right here. Okay. After my styling is done, what will I do? I will close my uh, style tag. That's what we will do. And after this style, what we will do is we will say head and close it right here. And after doing this, what are we going to do is we will take the heading, say H2, then I will say ID. After ID you have equal to. After equal to you will say my header, close it here, not this. So this is my header. This is what you said here. This is, and what do you want to give the heading as? Maybe I will say my header, and I am going to close it right there. Okay, so let's see. So yes, here it is. So I think the orange color it is not taking. Let me take some other color. Maybe you can say is pink. Okay, so see, it's taking. Maybe you can say orange. Yes, it took orange. So this is how we write the heading. Okay, then we'll discuss about classes, and please like, subscribe and share my channel.